Alright, quick update for VeChain. So it looks like we've got a new local high. Now drawing this from the low of this move to the top on this Fibonacci retracement, you can see we perfectly backtested the 786 down here roughly at about 7 cents, and we started to head up. So this is on the hourly time frame. I do think we are going to be coming up to this red box in the next couple of hours, in the next couple of days or so. Now why I think we're coming up to this, if we come over to a slightly more mid-term perspective, you can see if we draw the fib from the high to the low here, we have a 786 coming in at just about 9 cents. But I do have this as a resistance zone with this red box, because we do also have the 200-day moving average coming in for VeChain. So anywhere specifically between 8.933 cent and basically 9 cent is going to be a strong level of resistance in my opinion. Now, like I said, I do think we are going to be coming up to this, whether we are coming up to it in the next day or the next couple of days. I do think we are going to tag the 9 cent region. But what gets interesting is after we do break this 9 cent region, we can start drawing very macro charts. We can start off with this fib from this local top up here to this low, and you can see we'd have a 618 target all the way up at 13 cents. So that is a very nice move. Moving it to the all-time high, the 618 is all the way up here at 18 cent, just almost close to 19 cent actually. So I don't want to focus too much on these right now. The micro term is really where we should be keeping our eyes on, because if we are able to hop over this red box, this red resistance box, which I highlighted being around the 9 cent, the 9 cent being this 786 Fibonacci retracement, and also the 200-day moving average, I think we would be going on a very nice rally for VeChain. And I mean, it's already going on a massive rally. Out of all the altcoins I cover, I don't think, apart from OGN and whatever this is, Blocktopia, this is having a rally. I'll probably have to make a video on that, but VeChain specifically is probably doing the best out of, you know, pretty much all the altcoins I cover right now. Just to finish this off as well, if we're looking on the daily, we have insane volume coming in right now, which definitely shows me that, you know, we do have the momentum to smash through the 9 cent region. Once again, you know, we are having a slight pullback right now, but as long as we stay above, let me draw from the high to the low, make a resistance box, because, you know, like I said previously, we sliced through the 618 and came down to the 786, so I wouldn't be too worried if we broke below this 618. I would start to get worried if we did break below this 786. So as long as we stay above 72 cent, then in my opinion, VeChain is extremely bullish for a move to the upside. If we're going to remain really bullish, then we'll stay above the 75 cent. But like I said, this really gets interesting once we break above the 9 cent region. After we do break 9 cent, like I said, if we come over to a slightly higher time frame, we have, moving this fib out of the way to this local top, like I said, I mean, we've got a 618 all the way up here at 13 cents. So I'm gonna mark the fib right here. This is a key area of resistance. Once again, if we are able to get above the 9 cent region, then I do think we would be having a very nice trade. If we did break above the top of this red box, you could basically see a 45% increase all the way up to the top of this 618 Fibonacci retracement. So that's all I see for VeChain. Definitely looks good. On the lower time frames, tons of volume coming in. It looks very great. On a slightly more macro perspective, looking on the weekly, we do also have a decent amount of volume coming in, and the RSI and the MFI, which is the money flow indicator, both similarly have a lot of room to run to the upside. So VeChain looks pretty good, bullish to me. If this video is received well, then I might start doing more frequent updates on VeChain. So once again, none of this is financial advice. Best of luck if you are holding VeChain, and yeah, cowboy out. Peace.